Hi everyone, I'm Kalem from Redfoot Levelling, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the limit switch assembly on our AutoLift jacks. The tools required will be a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, an 8mm spanner, and a 5mm hex key. So as you'll see here, I've disconnected all the power to this jack. So this is where you'll need to use your 8mm to take off this sensor wire and your 10mm to disconnect all three of these. The next step is going to be to unscrew these two screws going into the side of the stem. Next we'll get our 5mm hex key and we can loosen off all four of these posts. Now we'll be able to remove the assembly itself, and you'll see there'll be two nuts on the bottom side of this, which we will have to first loosen off these ones on top, and then loosen off the two negative and positive on the bottom. Now we can throw away the old assembly and install the new one. Alright, so we want to make sure that we have the black and red matched up with the blue going into the black and the red going into the red. So what you'll want to do is make sure you have some sort of serrated washer on the end of the bolt, then you put the terminal in, and then we put a spring washer in between that, and that can go straight into the red post for the red wire and the black for the black. So now we've connected our posts. We can now put this back on in the correct orientation. So the spring needs to go underneath the cap. Now we can start screwing in each one of these screws. Now before we tighten up all these four all the way, we're going to quickly add in some screws on the stem. Okay, now those two screws are nice and tight. We can then do these up all the way as well. All right, now they're done up, we can start connecting our motor back up again. And that is it. Join back next time for some more tips and tricks.